We are under a tornado warning right now. Stevens County to the west of us, just before it starts entering our North Texas area. Scott?
Yeah, that's right, Ken and Karen. And as you see on the larger view, this is also how we wanted to paint a picture. Remember, a few days ago, the First Alert weather team issuing a weather alert for today. And the reason is we knew a line of storms is going to be developing, making its way west to east and along the 35 corridor through the evening commute, possibly 5 to 7 o'clock. So this is developing, has developed, and it's making its way west to east. What is interesting within this line of storms, that's where we're seeing this tornado warning that right now does include Stevens County until about 4:30. It's 4:17, almost 4:18. So the tornado warning was issued just at 4 o'clock. That now is the area that we watched, where we saw kind of the rotation that has tightened up. It is continuing to work its way northeast pretty fast. So that's where we're still looking at the tornado warning. Jeff, if you want to back the radar up when we're on the velocity, so we can go ahead and just see that forward motion of where we did see the couplet and where it's at now, so you can see the evolution of what we saw as we went through the last probably 18 minutes. So right in this area, it's southeast of Breckenridge. That's what we saw. That's what the National Weather Service was looking at, the potential there of that quick spin up of the tornado. That then shifted its way to the east, possibly weakening just a bit more. So the tornado warning still continues at last check from the National Weather Service, still for the potential of the storm that has maybe winds gusting up to near maybe 50 miles per hour, or even higher than that. And the whole entire storm is moving its way west to east. On the leading edge of these squall lines, when we have these storms, you can get these quick spin ups that happen as maybe some segments of these storms then start to move out a little bit faster than the whole entire line. That's what we call a bow segment. So when we have the bowing happening, that's where we're looking at for the potentially on the northern and southern side of that bow to possibly see some quick spin ups that Jeff was able there to circle. What's interesting as well, as Jeff, you and I were just kind of watching this and analyzing a bit more, National Weather Service mentioning the tornado threats has decreased at least temporarily in Stevens County with that line, but a cell moving into Eastland County near Cisco has some rotation. It's a new area to watch. So while this tornado warning continues for Stevens County, at least right now, that tornado threat, as we analyzed with you, as we looked at the First Alert radar, that threat going down, at least temporarily. We could see it kind of spin up again, but now watching and possibly into this area right there, seeing the severe thunderstorm warning that's for Callahan County, that is. You see that severe thunderstorm warning that was for parts of Eastland County. But possibly right there, see this little notch in the reflectivity? So that little, looks like a V. There's the potential we might be seeing some inflow happening there. We're very close to the radar. We're looking at the radar site as this is moving in. So they are continuing the tornado warning, though. What's interesting, they left for Stevens County, possibly straight line wind damage as well near Caddo, 18 miles east of Breckenridge, moving east at 50. So it's still that squall line, still the area that we were looking at. And they're not going to drop the tornado warning yet, because within these you can kind of get those quick spit ups. But we can give you some of the roads right now where we're seeing some of that heavier rain, possibly some smaller hail, some hail showing up. Go ahead and drop the tornado warning box there, Jeff, if we can. It's until 4:30. So here's Caddo. There's FM 33, FM 717, County Road 103. Looks like Howard. If I said that improper, I'm sorry, but just doing my best there. This is where we're watching right now for some of those stronger winds. Outside of the tornado warning, we could see winds gusting up to near 50 miles per hour to 60 miles per hour. That segment there is moving to the east at about 50 miles per hour, if we want to put a forward track on that, Jeff. So Palo Pinto County, this is not in your area yet. Would not surprise me if we have another severe thunderstorm warning at least issued for Palo Pinto County relatively soon. Brad at 4:30, the Metcalf Gap 4:35, Palo Pinto about 4:45, Coronado's Camp about 4:49. That's the approximate time of that leading edge of this severe storm that's moving west to east. The east sides now of Stevens County. That at one point we saw some tighter rotation within this tornado warning area southeast of Breckenridge that tightened up pretty quick. So the potential there of the severe thunderstorm warnings, the potential of the tornadoes there. And Jeff, just as you and I were talking about this, saying we wouldn't be surprised if there's a new severe thunderstorm warning issued for Palo Pinto County. They're going to be issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for Palo Pinto County, and also possible tornado with that, which is a way for the National Weather Service to kind of delineate the different types of severity of some of these severe thunderstorms, Jeff.
Yeah, and So we're going to keep an eye as this goes marching to Palo Pinto, as Scott and I were talking about earlier. Look at all the sunshine going on. We take a look at the current temperatures, and we see that it is plenty warm out there as well. We've got temperatures near 80 degrees where these squall lines headed in. Look behind the squall line, Scott. It's 58 degrees in Graham. Man. So we've got very rain-cooled air. Now, if you'll stay with us, Scott and I are going to be right back more with what's going on in the severe weather outbreak. Scott?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're looking at the radar here. You showed that visible satellite that showed so much sunshine that we're having. Just let me know when I need to go there, Christina. All right. All right, so as we take a look right now, that's what we're watching, this line making its way west to east. We'll continue to track on the first alert radar right here on CBS News Texas. We'll be right back.